Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete downloads on Android. First of all, go for your any Files app on your mobile. Search for your Files app. So if I go for my Files app, then you can see there is a download option here. So tap on it and all of your downloads are here in this list. So then choose your downloads file, any file if you wanna delete from here. So if I choose this one and just tap on delete here and again tap on delete, so yeah, it's deleted now. So guys, this is how you can delete downloads on Android. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zoft. Zoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zoft today. For more details, check the description box.